Hello, welcome again to Extra Stars Academy. I am Esther. Welcome to another exciting English pronunciation lesson. And today we will be looking at vowel number 12. And this vowel is also called the schwa. This vowel is like almost everywhere in almost every word. Okay, and it's also used as the weak form of vowels in grammatical words like and, but, and so on. I guess you know the sound now. Yes, the sound is a weak sound. Just say uh. You don't need to stress it. Previously we looked at right? Yes, so that's a long sound. This is like the short form of it. When you have just go uh. Good. When we look at more word examples, you would know what I'm talking about. Now, this vowel is produced with the lips in neutral position and it's a short sound. It is represented by many letters, usually in unstressed syllables. So let's look at word examples with the sound We have it in words with A. Yes, the letter A. We have it in above. You've gotten it. So this is not above. It's letter A, yes, but it's not A. It has a schwa. Above. Above. Can you say it? Above. Good. We have it in banana. 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 Woman. So you see the letter A, but the sound you hear is the schwa. It is a weak sound and usually found in unstressed syllables. Okay, let's go on. Woman. Woman. Along. Along. Again. Again. Away. Away. About. About. Around. Around. So you hear the sound there. We have it in words with letter E also. We have it in words like garden. Garden. Generous. Generous. Even the rus. Generous. Generous. Camera. Camera. In the word camera, we have it in m and r. So you don't say camera. That's why you don't say camera. The reason you say camera is because we have two schwas there. Camera. Camera. Good. Curtsy. Curtsy. We also have it in words with letter I. We have it in passable. Passable. Terrible. Terrible. Visible. Visible. Family. Family. Visitor. Visitor. April. April. Now you may have been saying the schwa, but you've not noticed that you've been saying the schwa. So I guess in my pronunciation now you've already realized that you've been saying it right if you have, okay? Now let's look at it in words with O. We have it in police. Police. Correct. 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 Polite. 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 Today. Today. Potato. Potato. Tomorrow. The first letter O. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Good. We have it in words with letter U. Words like support. 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 Upon. Upon. Good. We have it in words with a R. The schwa seems to be everywhere. It's been in all the vowels A, I, O, U. Now we also have it in some diagrams. We have it in a R like sugar. Sugar. Beggar. Beggar. Color. We have it in ER also. Words like paper. Paper. Pepper. Pepper. Baker. Baker. Waiter. Waiter. Water. Water. Mother. Mother. Under. Under. And brother. Brother. We have it in words with OR. Words like doctor, doctor, forgot, forgot. Good. Actor, actor, tailor, tailor, motor, motor. Good. We have it in words with URE. Yes. Words like figure, 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 picture, picture, culture, culture. We have it in words again with OUR. Words like color, color. So not color, color, color. Labor, labor. Neighbor, neighbor. Older, older. And rumor, rumor. Still going. We have it in words with O at the initial position. That's O at the beginning. Words like oblige, oblige, observe, observe. We have it in words with OUS like famous, not famous, 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 righteous, righteous, and generous, generous. This sound seems to be small but mighty. If you can pronounce this sound very well, it will help in improving your diction. Don't forget that any syllable that has the schwa, that's this sound, is usually unstressed. So when we are dealing with stress in our later lessons, you'll find out that in the unstressed syllables, the schwa is always there. Okay, let's look at some words in sentences. We'll say the sentence slowly, then we'll try and say it as fast as we can. The banana on the table is ripe and ready to eat. The banana on the table is ripe and ready to eat. Now, one way you can learn connected speech is using the schwa. There are some prepositions and articles in this sentence that needs a schwa. You use the weak form and not the strong form. That's why you say the banana and not the banana on. There's no longer, the word on is no longer on, it's now an. The THE there is no longer the, but the. We've weakened it because it is now in the middle of the sentence. So that's why we say the banana on the table is ripe and ready to eat. Now, can you try and pick out the words with the schwa? Yes, we have it in banana, an, the. Good, we have it in is. IS no longer takes the A sound, but the schwa is, because it's at the middle of a sentence. Beautiful. We have it in and to. Lots of words. We have the banana on the table is ripe and ready to eat. So it helps you not to count your words. It helps you say your words together. The banana on the table is ripe and ready to eat. The chocolate cake was a wonderful treat after a long day. The chocolate cake was a wonderful treat after a long day. Can you pick out the words with the schwa? We don't have it in the because THE there started the sentence. So when you have an article or any word that starts a sentence cannot take the schwa. When you have THE at the middle of the sentence or in between the sentence, it has a schwa. But THE at the beginning of the sentence takes the long sound the. Do you get me? Beautiful. So we have it in chocolate, 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 not chocolate, but chocolate. Beautiful. We also have it in was. Yes, was. Good. We have it in wonderful, wonderful, beautiful. And we have it in where? After. Good. After and a. Beautiful. So we have it in chocolate, was, wonderful, after and a. Let's say the sentence together. The chocolate cake was a wonderful treat after a long day. The chocolate cake was a wonderful treat after a long day. Beautiful. Now let's look at the last sentence. She forgot to bring her camera to capture the celebration. She forgot to bring her camera to capture the celebration. Can you bring out the words with a schwa? Yes, we have it in forgot. Forgot. To. Beautiful. Her. Lovely. Camera. Good job. Yes, we have it in to and capture. What about the? We have it in the. Beautiful. So we have it in forgot, to, camera, to, capture, and zoo. Let's say the sentence together. She forgot to bring her camera to capture the celebration. So if you can say your vowels properly, you will have a smooth diction because your pronunciation will be clear and you will hear every word you say. So the only way you can learn this is when you practice, practice, and practice. Okay, my task for you today is to practice these words and we'll be right back. Did you get the words right? Okay, let's say the words together. Teacher, yes, teacher. The sound is at the end of teacher. Dancer, around, ago, comma. Yes, comma. Did you get comma right? Not comma. That word is not comma. It is comma. The stress is on co. Comma. Beautiful. Remember. Chocolates. Chocolates. Beautiful. Elephants. Elephants. And wonderful. Wonderful. I hope you got these words right. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you still haven't subscribed to the channel Extra Stars Academy, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you'll be notified of our uploads. We've gone through the 12 monophthongs, and after the monophthongs, what do we have? We have the diphthongs. So we'll take a break, we'll contrast different vowels, then we'll come back for our diphthongs lesson. Till we meet again, do take care. Bye.